Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be cleaning and decorating this bathroom. This is the bathroom my kids use, and if we have guests, they're going to use this bathroom as well, but I definitely need to get in here and decorate it. It's pretty messy. I have like hair supplies out and the laundry needs to get washed, and yeah, there's no decor at all. I don't even have shower curtains up. Well, I did order some stuff. It just came in the mail, so yeah, I feel like I have everything I need to just go ahead and decorate the space. I also have a linen closet that's, I don't think I'm gonna do anything here. It's not really organized, but I'm not even gonna bother with that space. I'm just gonna work on what you see when you first walk into the space, because you know, you don't even know a linen closet is back there until you close the door. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on this space, clean it up and decorate it, and yeah, see how it turns out. And today's video is also in collaboration with Landma. LNDMA is a seller on Amazon, and I have their toothbrush sanitizer. This thing is really great for just disinfecting your toothbrush and the handle. You can also put a razor inside to disinfect that as well, and it is said to eliminate up to 99.9% of harmful substance on your toothbrush. And something like this is definitely a really great storage solution for your toothbrushes, so that you don't have it just like out on the counter. It's not good to just have your toothbrush exposed when it's in the bathroom. So having something like this is just going to help keep your toothbrushes and your toothpaste and razor, all of that stuff, nice and organized. And it's also going to, you know, sanitize it as well. And I'm going to set this up when I'm done cleaning the bathroom. I'll come back and talk some more about it and just show you how to use it. But yeah, I need to just go ahead and clean first, and then I'll come back and decorate and set up this toothbrush sterilizer. So yeah, let's get started, guys.
I've been working all the time like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell?
Alright guys, so I am going to be using some products from Dollar Tree in this video. The first one is this antibacterial spray, and I've been hearing some good things about it, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. And I like to spray it all over the tub and just let it sit there for maybe 10 minutes. I'm just going to tackle the toilet, and then I'll come back to the tub. And I like to use disinfecting wipes on the toilet, that way I can just, you know, clean it and throw the wipe away. If I use a sponge or a rag, I would trash it afterwards, and then I would have to keep buying more. So I just prefer using disinfectant wipes. And this toilet bowl cleaner is from Dollar Tree as well. This isn't a new product for me. I always buy this at Dollar Tree because I think it works pretty well.
Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you'll see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me?
Alright, so I am going to be using this Windex on the mirror, but it's definitely not my favorite products to use. My favorite is the Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner, but I ran out, so I'm just using what I have on hand, and it's the Windex. It'll do for today, but I definitely need to restock on my Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner.
Will you let me? I I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get
Now I know I'm going to get some questions about this vacuum. It is from Le Voice. I will have it linked in the description box. You can find it on Amazon and I love it so much. It works really well.
Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute.
So I completely forgot to do a close-up on the floor cleaner that I am using right now, but it is by Bona. It's for laminate floors, like laminate stone and tile, I believe. They also have one for hardwood floors, but it's my favorite floor cleaner. And I just attached this microfiber cloth to my Swiffer mop stick. They do have Bona mop sticks, but I didn't feel the need to buy one. I can just use a cloth on my Swiffer and call it a day. It'll get the job done.
So sweet, talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you.
Alright, so I am done with the space, guys, and I'm loving the turnout. It looks so much better. I'm going to take you around the space and let you know where everything is from, starting off with the curtains. So I purchased these from Amazon and I love the colors. It blends really well with this painting because it has like a mixture of like some lighter shades of blue with the navy blue, just like the curtains. So it's great. The painting is from Amazon as well, and this is from Target. And over here I have these jars. I got this from Target, and I just put like cotton swabs and floss sticks inside, and Q-tips, and then I have, you know, the soap dispenser there. And then over here I have this tray. Is from Home Goods, and I went ahead and put this really pretty vase that's from Home Goods as well. I love the chain. It actually came like that. I didn't put the chain on there, and it's just so beautiful. And I just put some picks inside. And then this reed diffuser, this is from Ross. And then I have these candlestick holders from Home Goods, and the candlesticks are from Ross. And then I have the toothbrush sterilizer right here in the corner. I didn't want to mount it to the wall or like put holes in the wall because I might move this to the master bathroom, or maybe I'll just get a second one because I think this is something great to have. So yeah, I will probably get a second one, but still I don't want to mount this to the wall. And you don't have to. You can just sit it right here on your vanity just like that. It does come with a this like bracket here that you can use if you want to mount it. So you will use like a blow dryer to heat up the adhesive, and then you will peel this off, and then you're going to let this stick to the wall for 24 hours before hanging up the machine. And it tells you exactly how to install it right here on the back. You also get instructions on the manual that comes in the box. You have a space that you can use to put your toothpaste. On this side you have the space for your razor, and then you have your toothbrushes over here, so you can fit 5 toothbrushes in here. And when you turn this device on to sterilize your toothbrushes, you want to keep it closed until the light goes off. So let me just close it now and turn it on. So right now it is working. You want to wait until the blue light goes off before opening it, because this is ultraviolet sterilization, so you definitely don't want to open it while the lights are on. And it takes 15 minutes to work, so when it's done it will shut off automatically, and then it's safe to open it and just, you know, use your toothbrush. So just keep that in mind. But if you need to just take your stuff out before the 15 minutes is done, just turn it off and then you can open it. It's safe to open. open. I was also told you can use this to disinfect your phone as well, so that's really great, especially with everything going on with this virus. It's really great to be able to disinfect your phone with this device as well. You can find devices made for disinfecting phones, but instead of spending more money and getting a separate device, you could just go ahead and use this and it'll do the same thing. You don't want to place this next to water, so don't put it like right next to the sink. Put it as far away as possible. And the company is hosting a giveaway for this item, so check the description box for that, and I will also have this product linked if you want to get your hands on it. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. The space is done finally. I love the turnout. It's so nice in here, and yeah, I'm just really excited. Now I just have to keep it clean because my kids, they use this bathroom as well, and I'm not worried about the kids coming in here messing with any of the decor or breaking anything. They know better. They're old enough to know not to like mess with the decor because it's not a toy, so I'm not worried about that at all. I almost forgot about the mats. So I got these from Ross and I love them. Really nice. But yeah, this is the space. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.